Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to create subdomain in Cpanel. But before getting started this video, don't forget to subscribe this channel. So first of all, open your Cpanel and then scroll down, and in this domain section you will find this subdomains option. Click on it. Now let's create a subdomain. So give a name here. So I'm creating a subdomain called example, and from here you have to select your domain. So here's my domain, howto1minute.com, and the document root will be example.howto1minute.com, and then click create. So now here we can see successful example.howto1minute.com has been created. So this is the way we can create a subdomain in Cpanel. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe How to 1 Minute. Thanks for watching this video.